Welcome to this clear and concise guide on duplicating a widget in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to quickly duplicate a widget using simple keyboard shortcuts and a few straightforward steps. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once you have arrived at the website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will initiate the process to access your WordPress account. After clicking the login option, you will see multiple methods for signing in. For this tutorial, choose the option that says Continue with Google. When you select this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Carefully choose the account associated with your WordPress site. This step is important because it ensures that you are logged into the correct account where your website and its widgets are managed. Once you have successfully logged into WordPress with your Google account, your screen will display the dashboard with various navigation links. Direct your focus to the section labeled Quick Links. In this section there is an option called Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to a page where you can manage the design and content of your website. This section is designed to give you access to various elements of your site, including widgets, menus, and more. Now that you are in the site editor, take a moment to locate the widget that you want to duplicate. Widgets are small blocks that add content and features to your website. Carefully click on the widget in question to select it. Selecting the widget is the key step that allows you to copy it in the next few moments. After selecting your widget, you will use the copy function to duplicate it. To do so, press Ctrl and the C key simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut copies the widget to your clipboard, making it ready for duplication. With the widget now copied, it is time to prepare for pasting a duplicate. Pressing Shift and the Enter key together will create a line break. This line break provides the necessary space for the new widget so that it aligns well with the existing content on your website. Following the line break, it is time to paste the widget copy into its new location. To finish the process, simply press Ctrl and the V key simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut pastes the widget from your clipboard into the designated area, effectively duplicating the widget on your website. By carefully following these steps, you have successfully duplicated a widget in WordPress. Each action is fundamental to ensuring that the duplication process is smooth and that the user interface remains consistent with your original site design. Remember to check the placement of your new widget within your layout to confirm that it integrates seamlessly with the other elements on your page. This intuitive method leverages simple keyboard shortcuts combined with navigation through your WordPress dashboard, making the process both efficient and user-friendly. This tutorial offers an accessible approach to modify your website quickly. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to enhance your site's functionality with ease. Enjoy the process of personalizing your site while taking advantage of WordPress's straightforward design capabilities.